Hello, in today's video, I'll show you two methods of factory resetting your Boox Go Color 7 Gen 2. The first method is for those that have access to the device is fully working, and also you know the password to it, or you don't have a password set. In that case, you can simply go to Settings, then click on the modal name and scroll down. Now you'll find Factory Reset, Erase All Data, and tap on it again. Remember, it erases all data and you cannot undo this action. It will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes to reset itself. Then the device will turn on in the setup and you will be able to select the language and set it up, or not set it up and sell it or give it to someone. Yeah, in a moment I'll show you the other method, which is going to be the recovery mode, hard reset. And that method is great if your device isn't working properly and you cannot reset it this way, or if you don't remember the password. What's great is that this second method works even if you have a Google account signed in. So it's not like an Android phone where if you reset it, you can't use it without entering the previously logged in Google account. Here, you just reset it and it's like brand new. So we'll get to that. I'll just set up the device real quick once it turns on, and I'll also sign into a Google account and set a password just to show you that it really does reset everything. Okay, I now have a password. As you can see, I'll enter it because I know it, but you may not know it if you're trying to do the second method. Also, as a proof, I'll show you that in app accounts, I have a Google account signed in. So let's now lock the screen. And what you can do to enter the recovery mode is press and hold on the power button on the bottom, then tap on power off. Now wait a moment until it powers off. Additionally, you can wait like 5 more seconds, and then you will need to do a combination of keys. Make sure you do it properly. If you fail, you can turn the tablet off again and try again. So that will be pressing and holding on the power button for about 8 seconds. Then once you release it, clicking on it quickly 5 times. So let's do it. I'll start pressing now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it works. Sometimes it fails. It's normal. You can just try again, you know. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so we are in Android recovery right now, and now I can use these buttons to navigate. You should go to Wipe Data Factory Reset, then power button, go down, power button. Now go to Reboot System now, click on the power button, and wait a moment, and the system will be reset. I'll just get back to you when it's done. Okay, and now as you can see, this is what it looks like. It did reset itself into the system. It didn't show up setup. When I did it the first time, I was kind of surprised, but yeah, it does that. And it also sets the time zone to China. So you may want to modify that. Besides that, everything works properly. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.